Nice minced pork in there. Super soft, you can see. This is my favorite so far, for sure. Good morning everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Today I'm here at the Territy Bazaar at 7 in the morning, and this place is famous for its Chinese street food. If you guys don't know, there's a huge Chinese Indian population here. This place opens around 5:30 in the morning every day, and there's some delicious food. We got dim sum, we have bao. Oh my god, I can't wait. Let's go eat. Alright, so the first stall we're visiting is this one. She has 3 different things we're gonna try. She has red meat fowl, which is like big buns, these right here. She has these fried chicken momos, and then under it she has fish balls. Okay, I'm ready. Can I try one? New one, yeah, I want to try a new one.
You gonna do bao first, or?
Yeah, I'll try a bao.
Bao.
It's a huge bun. Alright, so she gave me some sauce, and then, you know, every time they give you buns, they always have a piece of paper on the bottom. You can take that off. Make sure to take it off, if not you eat it by mistake. And this one's like really tough. Okay, took it off. Super thick bun, very fluffy. Spicy sauce. And inside, look at that. Super juicy and a little bit creamy. There's also another like red sauce inside. Oh, so this distinct taste from China. Feels like I'm eating in a Chinese restaurant right now. Oh, this is fantastic. Super fluffy bun. As you can see, it's very thick. It's really heavy actually. I'm so hungry though. The sauce is like very spicy. Oh. What do you think? Did they have any rose milk here?
That could be useful, huh?
No, it's perfect. Oh, it's awesome.
Chicken momo, fish momo?
Pork, fish.
Pork and fish.
Okay, can I get a chicken and a fish to get 1 and 1? Oh. The fish and pork, okay.
4 piece.
1 plate, 4 please. Okay, so let me get, you have to get 4 piece? 100, but I only want 2. Okay, she's making me buy 4 for 100 rupees. 4 pieces, I mean, it's basically, she's making me buy 4. I got 2 fish, 2 chicken. I'm gonna only 2, right?
I'll have the other 2.
Yeah, I know. Here we have a chicken momo. Steamed chicken momo. Oh, with hot sauce again? This basically tastes like a wonton, dude. Oh, it's amazing. The sauce is still very spicy. Oh, but it's like too spicy. It's a super soft momo, which is basically like almost like a dumpling, right?
Yeah.
And then here we have the fish one. Look at that, I'm just bathing it in it. All right, here we go, fish. Oh, really salty. They put a lot of fish in there. Got a huge ball of fish. A few spices in it. Oh, this is so good. And as you can see, it's basically like a market, obviously. Lots of people here selling vegetables, food. What else? They have fruit, clothing. I mean, it's so packed right now. But enough with that, let's go eat some more. All right, so here we're going with round 3. This is chicken fried momos. Okay. Dip it in the sauce, right? Super spicy sauce. I love the crunch. Super deep fried. This might be my favorite. It's a super deep fried momo. You can barely taste the chicken, unfortunately. I feel more of just like fried. It feels like a straight up fried wonton. I'm gonna have one more little guy. I'll take that back. I like the other ones better, steamed ones. So next thing we're trying is a pork spring roll. I've actually never seen one like this. It's very soft on the outside. It's not like too fried. A lot of hot sauce. Oh my god, look at this. It's like bathed in hot sauce.
Bathed in it. Try it.
Oh wow.
Good?
Oh, nice minced pork in there. Super soft, you can see. This is my favorite so far, for sure. Onions, spices. Oh, Sam, your turn.
Okay, so I'm trying spring roll, and we have to share this one. It's the very last one. It's lightly fried on the outside, I believe, or lightly battered, but it feels quite spongy. It's not as crisp as a typical spring roll that I normally have. And it's stuffed with pork inside, onions and other ingredients. It's juicy. It's a little bit spongy actually. Very tasty. And it's great with the spicy sauce, man.
India's all about selfies, dude. It's all about selfies. All about
Nice
selfies.
to meet you.
Thanks, guys. All right, so next fish ball soup.
Yep.
Okay.
Is that the end?
You are from Davidsbeenhere, right?
Yes.
I watch your show, man.
No way.
Yeah, seriously.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
It's very nice to see you.
You want to take a selfie? Let's take a selfie.
Oh yeah, sure.
Next up, we're trying fish ball soup, and there's a lady who makes it. Fish ball meatball. And she also makes some more momos, some buns. Okay, you want some?
Yeah, man, let's do it. Fishball
Okay,
soup.
2 soups. Fish ball, meatball soup, we got a combination. You can either get it with fish or with meat, or you do both. So I got 2 balls in here. Look at this, look at this. Oh my God, and it's like boiling right now. All right, I have to get low here because it's so hot. Oh, delicious broth. Wow, so herbally. Let me just dive in. Let me cut one of these balls. Yeah, I'm gonna cut some of this. This has to be the fish right here. Nice chunk of fish. I have no idea what the fish that is. It's a little salty. It's also a lot of flavor in there. With the broth here. Oh yeah, you just dive into this all day. Oh, but it's still super hot. Let me cut a little piece of the meat. Ah, this ball is hard. There we go. It reminds me of like wonton soup in like all the Chinese restaurants in America. Very similar, but obviously this is very authentic, and they made it right now, you know?
How's it?
Oh my God, the beef is way better. I love the beef. Lots of texture in there, big chunks of beef. Also a lot of flavor in terms of like a little bit of spices. I mean, it's not like India spices, but it has this distinct taste. You know, Chinese flavors are very different to Indian flavors. One more bite. One more bite. If I can break it, it's a little hard to break the ball. All right, but they serve it to you like extremely hot. This is the perfect thing to have after a hangover for sure.
Okay, David, we've been enjoying the soup very much. There's both pork and fish balls down here. So I'm gonna take a bite of both of them for you guys. So this is the fish ball. I'm gonna eat the whole thing, guys. Spongy, has a spongy texture. Reminds me of something I ate in Korea a lot called odang. Really tasty. The broth is salty. Let's move on to the pork ball. Now this pork ball is gigantic, so I'm just gonna take a piece with some soup, pop it in there. Both of them are really good, but if I had to choose one, I would go with the fish balls.
I told you it was a beef ball. It's not a beef ball, it's a pork ball. They just keep saying meat, and I just thought meat, beef. But yeah, so one thing I'm gonna do is, this guy is showing me, is that he's putting like some super hot sauce, just drizzling on top, right there. Here we go. It feels like the sponge absorbed the heat. Oh, that's hot, hot, hot. And I'm gonna finish this off. Fish ball with some heat. The fish ball is better. I like it. And the broth. I am stuffed. Let's go explore the market and take a break from food. Oh, so as you can see, this market is crazy right now. I mean, this is intense. So many people here. As I said earlier, I mean, they're selling like, you know, fresh fish. Here we have some prawns. Here we have, what else? Yeah, this guy's like gutting fish. I mean, this is like real intense. Hey, how you doing? Wow. What is that? And the fish are so alive, dude. Like literally, they were just caught. They were just caught. You could see them trying to, you know, gasp for air, basically. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna explore the market and see what else we see here. And here we have a lot of stray dogs, and they don't stop. I mean, they're really friendly. They just keep like
they keep coming up and licking the back of my legs. You too?
Yeah. And what do you think about the fish market?
The fish market it's pretty incredible. I mean, you get to see the live fish and being gutted right in front of you, and it's just yeah. There's nothing left to the imagination. It's just right there, raw in front of your eyes.
And right over here to the right, we got like the poultry market. You got ducks, chicken. What else you got here? Wow, the guy's just cutting it up. Hey, how you doing? Looks good, looks good. Very fresh. Wow. Look at this, guys. And this is how they take them around. As you can see, they pick this up and then take them around. Oh man, after all that spicy food, I need a drink.
Sugar cane, guys.
Sugar
nothing
cane.
better. It's gonna be prepared right before our eyes.
There's nothing better than this. I mean, look at this. Sugar cane right here. The guy just shoves it in there. So what he does is he shoves a bunch of bamboo into this machine and he grinds it together. Then, as you can see, like a lot of sugarcane juices just like starts pouring out. Oh, and it's so fresh. It's probably the best thing to drink on a super hot day. It's actually not so hot right now, but it's still early morning. It's only 8:20 in the morning. Oh, I can't wait to drink this. Thank you. Went down the wrong pipe.
Thank you, sir.
So good. So good. Refreshing. Lots of sugar. You ready to drink that?
Ready to drink it. Oh, it's next level refreshing, man. It's so sweet. Just naturally sweet. It's my favorite street food drink in India. Hands down.
We've had such an epic Chinese street food breakfast this morning. Oh, it was so good.
I know, man. And what better way to finish off than with some chai?
Yeah, chai.
Chai. Oh, wonderful.
Oh, wonderful. Piping hot.
Piping hot. Made right in front of us.
Too much. So what was your favorite thing today?
Oh my gosh, I just love being in the market. I mean, I love eating, but I actually enjoyed the experience even more than the food. The food was great.
Yeah, I mean, that market is like one of the most, I guess, colorful and eccentric markets I've ever been to.
Yep.
Like,
Yep.
things are happening everywhere you go. You gotta really be careful. There's cars passing through. Yeah, but for the food, I don't know, man. That fish broth soup was super good.
Yeah, that was really good, and it was just nice to end off with something warm like that. You know, in Kolkata, it's really warm by midday, but in the mornings, it's a little, I wouldn't say chilly, but it's cool. It's cool
It's like
in the morning.
65 degrees today in the morning.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
It's heating up.
Yeah, fast.
And yeah, so we're at this like super famous chai shop. It's like right outside the market. And I hope you love this video, because if you did, you have to give it a thumbs up.
Chai's up.
Leave us a comment below if you've ever been here, if you've been to Kolkata, or if you want to come. And subscribe to Sam's channel, Samuel Audrey. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next food and travel adventure in incredible India. Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
Awesome morning.
That was.
And we finished at 8:30.
We did.